Hey guys, I'm on my way from a commercial shoot. Yes, I just shot a commercial for a credit card company and it was so very unique. It was about small business owners, which is myself, and some of the challenges we face as small business owners and so on and so forth. So hopefully soon you'll be able to see me in the commercial. It was kind of hectic trying to get here because it was shooting out in Jersey and I'm from New York City and I don't drive, so I'm done. I couldn't get footage of me on set because it was just so much going on, and you know, I was by myself, so everyone's there doing their job, so they basically don't have time to be, you know, helping you to vlog. Yeah, so I didn't get to vlog at all. I asked the makeup artist to take a couple of pictures of me and she did, but they weren't, I would say, I guess because she doesn't vlog, she doesn't really know, so I'll try to share some of them with you. But that's just about it. I had a wonderful time shooting. I'm happy to say that I'm going back on my auditions again. I'm feeling back to my normal self. In the midst of all that's happening, I'm in transition now. I have moved from my previous residence. It's been 3 weeks now, and I'm near a highway. I'm about to move to a more permanent residence, but everything is well, all is well. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. As my small business grows, I need a way to separate my personal expenses from my business expenses.
Introducing the smart new way to simplify your small business finances with a name you can trust.
Loser un jour, loser toujours. Oubliez la drague, oubliez tes blagues, laisse tomber la frime et tes jeux de mime, retourne